Hey guys, what's going on? About to head to the gym, getting my little morning routine on, get my banana, protein shake, coffee. Not Black Too Splendid today. I'll get one a little later. But just watching Sports Center, editing videos. I'm uploading a discussion video on my sneaker channel. So, also too, I've been playing with my new camera. This thing is awesome, like so awesome. But I want to really kind of be an expert on it and learn everything I can so I can take some really cool photos and videos for you guys. But yeah, we're going to a christening? I don't know. Christening. We're going to go to the lunch after the christening. So it's at Scarlet Oak in Hingham. I don't know if we've ever taken you there before. No, I don't think we have. So we'll head over there in a little bit. I'll try to bring you guys in the gym today. I know I always say I'll try, but like I said, I'll try. If it's not too crowded, then I'll sneak you guys in. It's been raining the last 2 days. It's been like awful out. Just like kind of dreary out, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's go ahead and head to the gym, then head to that christening lunch, and then yeah, see where the day takes us. Alright, so got out to my car, tried to start it, and this is happening. Hold on. Won't start. So, I assume my battery's dead. Probably just needs to be jump started. But I didn't leave any lights on though, so that's kind of weird. So I'm going to take Chantel's car to the gym and then deal with this later. Alright guys, we're heading to Scarlet Oak right now for, is this lunch, brunch, what?
I think it's brunch.
What, a brunch? Never been a fan of brunch. It's either lunch or breakfast. Come on.
It's either lunch or munch.
Pick one. Alright, let's park. We're late, of course.
Not my fault.
This is the first time, I think, ever in a YoAnty vlog that YoAnty was driving and I was passenger seat. I had to edit something on my phone for video going up, so she drove. Park.
Because we're drug dealers, so I drive while he... No. That's what it looks like.
Just park in the dirt, I don't care. There's Brian's truck.
Alright, let me just make one more pass real quickly.
Oh man.
What?
I mean, just park here. Yeah, this is fine. Alright, let's head in.
Customer parking only, unauthorized cars will be towed.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'll just run back in, park in the dirt.
It's, I mean, it's Sunday. I'm sure no one would care. Whatever.
Yeah, but you're gonna pay for it if they tow it? Exactly. I'm driving, I'm in control. I'm the boss. Okay. Ooh.
Just over by that green car over there. This is
control much, babe? Control much?
The absolute thing I hate the most in life is being late to somewhere and walking in. Everyone looks at you and is like, hey, babe. I'm like, I kind of want to cry because I don't want to do that. But here we go. Okay, say where we are.
I saw myself on video the other night. I look terrible, like Elaine Shea. I am going on a starvation diet tomorrow. Every week when you see me, you'll see less of me on YouTube.
We've got some delicious treats here that are going to be indulged on. Look at all these. I know. You see the cupcakes?
Yes, those look amazing.
Yeah. I want that.
I do love sugar cookies.
Yeah, I want all of them. Oh look, are these cake pops?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow.
Me and Amy and Brian?
Yeah.
And Michael was...
Yeah.
This is amazing. Are those cake pops?
Yeah, I made everything.
What are you drinking?
Oh, you're drinking my Greyhound.
Oh, it's a Greyhound?
Yeah.
What do you got, Brian?
Steak tips.
Ooh, lobster.
Typically, if that's on the menu,
Fettuccine, though.
That's what I order.
You can't turn down steak. It's going to be a toss-up between the fettuccine and the steak tips.
Lobster roll.
Lobster. Did you all get the lobster roll?
Really
You getting
good. That
lobster
one
roll?
too, probably.
I didn't order yet, did you?
No.
That's what I'm
But I
gonna
assume you're gonna get the lobster roll.
I'm having lobster roll.
What do you think I'm gonna get?
And do we get
Lobster roll. But she won't eat the roll.
Right.
She'll pick all the lobster out
Eat it.
and then eat it. Oh, chowder? Yes. Chowder and steak tips. I think that's the way to go.
Share this day with you guys, especially my mom, Jerry. Thank you so much. Everybody who traveled, all your support and all your continued support. Really, really thank you guys. Everybody in this room. I think you guys, most of you have been through a lot with us already. So again, welcome. Have a good time, and thank you very much.
Woo! I scared it. Alright guys, chowder.
Oh, it looks amazing.
Chowder. I like the bowl. It's at like a funny angle.
Say chowder.
Dude, we're having chowder in Boston.
Oh yeah.
Pepper.
Good job, babe.
Chowder time. This should be fun with the beard. My bowl.
How am I still working on it?
I devoured it.
Your brother always
Do I have
gets
any in my
salad.
beard? No, I thought usually you get chowder.
I do, but
Switching it up. Getting the greens in.
no, yeah. Broke someone's foot today, so I figured I'd switch it up.
Did it.
I'll explain later. We get some chicken fettuccine here, lobster roll, steak. What were you saying, Mom?
They were talking about your beard.
I said there's 3 beards here. 2 of them are very well groomed, and then there's Wild Man.
I guess I clean up my beard. I'll just shave it off. That's fine. Yeah, no, I'll just be clean cut. Alright guys, bathroom review, Scarlet Oak Tavern. I love it. I love it. The smell in here, smell alone, 10 out of 10, but we got some great photos here. I love the photos. We got a wooden dish photo, granite, no, it's like a tile on here on the wall with some nice finish right there. We got a nice little soap dispenser, sink. There's a toilet, nice little bin, extras, lights. The paint in here is great, just everything about it. Look at this. San Francisco Ocean Express. They hit a home run. The smell, I wish you could smell it. It smells like fine soap. Some elegant fine soap, little coat hanger, great door handles. This is 9 out of 10 for me. The cleanliness is amazing. You have the granite countertops. I got some boat shoes on. Amazing. 9 out of 10. I wish you could be in here. Personal little stall. I love it. If there was a TV in the mirror, it'd be very close to a 10 out of a 10. What type of sorbet is this?
I don't remember. It's good though. Is it blood orange?
Blood orange? I thought it was raspberry. Those shoes? Yeah, I saw those. Yeah, I love them.
Those are so cute.
And then these pants have like the belt.
Yeah. Did you like your food? The lobster all good? The food is amazing. My fettuccine was incredible. Now I'm indulging. Oh, we got cupcakes.
So full.
Are you? I know, I am too. Like, if I eat any more, I'll feel sick. Like, I want to eat this.
Sorbet though. It's very good.
Yeah.
It like makes your jaws tingle.
I know. So, this is the Scarlet Oak, as I had mentioned. My sister had her, what party was it?
Amy, was your wedding shower? No, your wedding.
The rehearsal dinner was here 5 years ago in September. 5 years ago in September. Time flies. That's amazing. What are you eating? Fruit?
What did he say? You said mom what? He said mom what?
No.
Me?
I didn't say that.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
Probably need to get a girlfriend, so I don't want you to say anything or ask any questions.
I didn't say anything.
I don't want to say anything.
Yes, you did because she told me.
Stop the camera.
Okay. Don't say anymore.
I don't want to say anything. Oh, anyway, and then one saw this girl sneaking out of our house. And I said, don't say that. Edit that out. Edit that out.
Say that part. Okay, that's family history 5 years ago.
Christian people.
No, you saw me come over for drinks.
And I was so happy. I said, yay.
You said yay?
And then she goes, she's crazy, she needs help. And then we oh my
And now you have to deal with her.
Now I deal with it on a daily basis.
This is true. He took me in, picked me up, sent me up. You're right. Usually after I've been drinking, I'm like, where's the dessert?
We got all of these. These are all ours.
No.
Making it rain with candy.
Hold on. She can't get by.
Cake pop. Cake, 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 cake.
Okay, you know how much I love her. She's just like my mom, and we're so mean to each other. It's because I love her.
Call me Elaine Shea.
This is the Yo Mommy YoAnty vlog.
Do you know what Elaine Shea looks
What is
like?
that? What is it?
No.
Do I have food in my teeth?
She's a realtor, and she's old.
Why do you have food on you?
I don't know. She's old, and she walks around like this. And she looks like how I looked in the video. I want to look like thin and sleek. So the new me, stay tuned for the weekly vlog of Mary Lou, YoAnty's mom's weight loss endeavors.
Attacking the camera.
Right.
Have a whole
I think here's tip number one. When you approach the camera, don't approach it in this fashion or else it may not look good. That's why I try to keep it far away so they can see me. Okay.
I bet you'll really
YoAnty Fitness Channel.
No, you don't even eat right.
No,
I know.
no mama weight loss channel.
I know.
Yo Mama Weight Loss Channel.
I know nutrition because I went to college and took it. Anthony just knows how to look good when he's in the gym. Isn't that right? You don't actually know fitness.
I know proper workouts. My eating habits are poor.
Yes. Then why are you not helping
Like
me?
I've been researching and trying to gain a lot of knowledge.
Then why don't I have definition? That's all I've got, and I like have to flex. But I eat right. Explain that.
The last 10 years I've dedicated myself to the gym. I've learned a lot. So I do know a lot when it comes to working out. Absolutely. I go to the gym every day of my life. But when it comes to eating, that's where my kind of issue is like the fact that I can get away with eating poorly.
Because you have a metabolism.
Right,
God.
right. I have a good metabolism, so the fact I can get away with it, of course I'm going to eat awful, and I can still look pretty good.
And the pressure that your girlfriend has to try and still look good, eating with you at the same time. Is my hair doing something weird?
No, look at the camera though.
Oh.
Well, because you were looking at me, and I thought you had a lazy eye.
I do. Is it looking that way?
Look at the camera and talk.
Oh, God. You don't really look like I have a lazy eye. You need to show it to me.
I couldn't tell. All right, I'll show it to you.
I only knew it because she was getting yelled.
Did you get everything?
What I did.
Is this navy or blue?
Navy.
Got a navy. I love it.
I thought I bought it black.
Oh, I thought it was jacket.
Navy. I love it.
Burberry.
I thought it was black, but now
Burberry
I
baby.
Exactly. We are.
Hi. Happy communion. No, christening. Baptism. Yeah. You say cheese? You want to vlog again? He vlogged last weekend. Yes. You look perplexed.
Get some good weather.
Okay.
Let's get out.
Bye.
Shit it up.
All right. I was eating a Mike and Ike. Waiting for AAA.
Your car won't start.
No, the battery like turns a little bit, so. But I had to head to work. I gotta take Chantel's car probably. I was gonna wait for him, but who knows how long they're gonna be. So you're gonna have to call me. I gotta charge my phone too. Do you have a USB thing in your car? So I can charge my phone? Yeah?
Yes. It's That's where I stick the auxiliary thing, right?
Not auxiliary, USB. Like, how do you charge your phone?
I stick it in that little outlet thing.
Oh, you have an outlet plug? You
Yeah.
don't have a USB?
I don't know.
Actually, I have one.
It's a 2011. It should be. It's my.
No, I bought an adapter. So I'll just bring the adapter with me.
Okay.
Alright, well, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Stay posted to find out what happened with my car.
And you better edit it, because if your mom and I were misbehaving, you have to edit it.
I'll edit 0 of that.
No, because
You
your
guys
mom
can
and
thank
I,
me that I didn't edit anything
No,
out
'cause
and
your
I
mom
let
and
everything
act
run.
ridiculous sometimes.
It was fine. Alright, guys.
Okay.
Say bye. Give him a double wave.
All
Alright. See you guys. Okay, like I said, my brother-in-law said how he goes, well, I broke someone's foot today, so, and I told you guys I would let you know what happened. So he got out of his bar stool seat, and the bar stool fell down, and it landed on a woman's foot. She, from what we heard, you know, she overreacted, because she was like, oh my god, in extreme pain, took her shoe off, like, and my two friends, Lauren and Matt, who it was their son's christening, they're both nurses. They go, you're completely fine. There's no bruise, it's not broken, it's not bleeding, you're being over dramatic, stop. So my poor brother-in-law felt really bad and nothing even happened. So this woman literally ate lunch with like a bag of ice on her foot up on a chair, and they just said she was being dramatic. So I feel bad for my brother-in-law. It was a total accident, and he like felt bad. So hey guys, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Feel free to hit the thumbs up button. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Take care. Peace.